Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Thomas and I'm the owner of Epitome of Excellence Designs and Decor. As you can see from the thumbnail of this video, we do another Minnie Mouse birthday party. Same location. How crazy is that we did the last one? If you go back and look, maybe 5 or 6 videos back, we did the Minnie Mouse video, We did the Minnie Mouse birthday party during the hurricane, because we didn't have lights and they had already booked us. This one is going to be for a broader setup, so we doing the kids and the adults with the kids chairs and everything. Right now we're headed to get the key from the client, and y'all are going to be surprised because today is the day of, and I have not prepped anything. Well, I did just blow balloons, but I have not went to my storage and like taken out anything that I'm going to use for the event. It shouldn't be much that I have to grab, but I just really had a busy week and I haven't really had time. Me and my wife celebrated 8 years of marriage this week, so we've been, all up in each other's face. But anyway, we are headed to get the key, and then we'll grab some breakfast. We'll go to the storage, get everything we need. I did not get a U-Haul this time because everything should fit in here, and the venue is only like 5 minutes away from my house, if it's even that. So if there's something that won't fit in the first load, or if I just can grab everything that's like merchandise and take that and then come back and grab the balloons that I've already blown up, then that'll be fine too. That'll just, save on my overhead when it comes to that. So if you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload videos like this. And y'all stay tuned for the rest of this video. Thank you, as always, for stopping by my channel. Alright, so this is where y'all would have saw the time-lapse portion of this video, but unfortunately, I forgot to hit record, so I set up the event, and it took maybe an hour and a half, got ready to do my wrap-up, and noticed that it was not a video to wrap up. So, yeah, this is going down in history as the shortest Decorate With Me video ever, but I owe it to you guys to give you a video, so I will show you guys the overall finished product. Again, thank you again, and we'll have some more content coming out next week.